Hey guys, what is going on? Here today with Code, and today we're going to be teaching you the basics of coding. Now, if we're ever going to start coding on this channel, we need to teach you code. Now, once you learn how to use it, it's actually a pretty simple sort of a little thing here. So, first off, every time you're gonna make a new code, I don't know why, but you're gonna start off with @echo off. Remember this code, guys, because if you don't do it, it will not work. Now next, if you want a color, you can do it. I'm going to do a color just for the heck of it. You do not have to do color if you don't want to, but there are many colors. My favorite is 9F. I think there's like a 0A. Yeah, I'm going to do 0A. 9F is blue. 0A is no color for the background, but it's green text, kind of like the Fallout 4 terminals. But there's your color. You can title the batch file. You can title it anything. I'm just going to call this, I don't know, tutorial program. So that's pretty much it for the top of this. So you have the title, you can put the color, and always start with @echo off. But anyway, after that, you want a clear screen. CLS stands for clear screen, and after that, so basically, this is like a new area of program, right? So you always start it with with a colon and then any number, letter. Pretty much almost anything. I'm gonna do G, or no, let's do G. Okay, so if you want, so basically this is whenever you're making a brand new file, like you're gonna make a brand new line, I guess you could say, brand new sort of page. Yeah, we'll call it a page. Brand new page of your game, or basically whatever you want to do. So you always want to do this. It will always take you to it because it is the first one. So basically, if you want to say something, you always put echo space and then welcome to the program. Okay, so there that is, and then echo. You can press start. We'll say start is 1. And as you start typing, it'll recognize what you type, and as you press the first letter or the second letter, it'll be like, do you mean to type this? So, yeah, so basically this is how you want to do it. So now whenever you say this, so you have to say a number next to this. So if you want to start, you click 1 and then enter, and then it'll go to start, and then exit and 2, and it'll go to there. So the way that works is you have everything you want it to say. Now this is where you want it to go. So at the end of every single thing, you want to do set /p, and then you can choose anything really. So like FH, and then put an equal sign at the end of it. And then at the bottom, if you want to clear the screen to go to the next page, or if you just want the text to appear at the bottom under the previous text, don't put CLS, but I'm going to clear the screen afterward, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But for now, I'm going to put CLS, and I'm sorry I'm talking really fast and really long, but I'm trying to get you guys to understand this as best as possible for people who are just beginning and want to understand programming. Okay, so put CLS. Now, you're going to want to put a new section, like I said, so not stats, but start. Alright, so once you do that, so you're making a new section, so start. So whenever you press start, okay, well actually, I take that back, don't do that. You need to put in the commands. So you want to do if, and then you're going to do %. Whatever you put here, you're going to put inside of the % symbols. So here I put FH and then %. Now you're going to do equals, and then whatever you put right next to this button, you're gonna put that down here. So it's basically saying whenever they press that number, it's going to take them to that area, or that new page. So equals 1, and then go to, and then whatever your page name is. So we're going to call our page name start. So now, you can't say this is like start SD and then call your new page start, because it's going to look for start SD. It's not going to go straight to start. So, I mean, I could have 5 million lines of text and say start, and then start was at the very bottom, and it'd still go there because it matches the file name. So you want to make sure these are exactly the same whenever you put them down, and then you want to put an enter between each new file and all that. So then you want to put whatever you put right there. So I put start, so colon, start, enter, echo, and then say whatever you want to say. Yeah, hello, welcome, blah 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 blah. Okay, so echo 1, exit, and then echo 2, next. Okay, so now at the end of every single one, basically putting an equal sign is saying that's where you type your thing. So FH. So this is where you type it. Alright, this is where you type the letter. So it's saying if this person, so this is basically you, see /person, and you put this, and then you put 1. It's basically saying if you, whatever that is, press 1, it goes to start. And then the new section called start is where it sends you, because it's the same thing. It's connected. So basically set new person JK, because why not? And then equals, and then if that person %JK% equals 1. Oh yeah, so I forgot to program this part, my bad. So if %FH% equal 2. Now, whenever they want to exit the game, never put go to exit, because it's gonna think you're going to a new file called, or a new page called exit, but you're not. You just want to exit the game. So never put go to, just put exit. Because, I mean, if you had a page name exit for some reason, it would not exit the game, it would go to that page. So, anyway, that's why you should never do that. So, 1, exit. And even if you didn't have an exit page, it would probably exit out anyway, because it doesn't know where to go, so it just exits out of the program. But I would definitely recommend just putting exit to save some time. So now if %JK% equals 2, go to, and then whatever you want your next page to be called. It doesn't have to be called that. I'm just putting it that to make it simple. So now if you want, I'll show you the difference between CLS and no CLS. So anyway, let me just make the next page first. So next, echo, hello. Me. Hello, Billy. Now, I actually have, I will put, so this is beginner code. If you guys want me to do, like, advanced, I can show you guys how to enter in your own username and password. I can show you guys how to enter in, like, your own name and it call you that name. I can show you guys all sorts of stuff. So tell me, guys, what you want me to do, like, username, password, or all sorts of stuff. Or if you're still confused, put that in the comments below and I'll make a new video and tell me what you're confused about and I'll try to put that in there. But anyway, whenever you're done, you want to save it as you want to put it on your desktop or wherever and call it whatever you want, .bat, and you want to save it as, I think, an all file. Actually, I don't think it worked. I don't think it really matters. So, .bat, and then save it on your desktop. Whenever you go to your desktop, as you can see, your next icon will be called whatever you called it. Whenever you open it, as you can see, the title, tutorial program, and the color, like I said, the terminal, black background with the green thing. And here it is, guys. So welcome to the program. Hope you enjoy. That's what I typed because I put echo. 1 to start, 2 to exit. Whenever you press 1 to start, it goes to the start. And then it says, hello, welcome, blah. And then 1 to exit, 2 to next. And if it exits out, but you've programmed the next one, that means that there's either something wrong in the text, or you've, or something has happened. Actually, oh yeah, so, or you just haven't programmed the next line yet, and you're waiting to, but, yeah guys, so that is basic tutorial, that is a basic tutorial. If you're confused on any part, I pretty much went over everything that I know in one basic little thing here. If you guys are still confused on things or want to learn more things, please remember to put that in the comments below. Remember to subscribe, because, you know, it'll post your comment automatically. And new channel, I mean, I'm like all over the comments, guys. I will make a new video as soon as someone puts a comment, or at least as soon as I can. So make sure you tell me if you have a comment, or a question, tell me. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you dudes in the next video. Peace.